Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to see a small concept in shadowing. It actually helps in some of the places when you're coding. So let us get started. So I'm going to create a new project first, cargo new Rust playground. So I will open this Rust playground. So let us see if suppose we create a variable, let mutable a equal to 5, and now we want to do is suppose we do a equal to a plus 7 and we want to print a. So what will this print? This will print a's values to be 7. So you can see, sorry, not 7, a's value will be 12, 7 plus 5, right? So this is a very basic concept which I think you already use. Now what if I create another scope and inside that I'm doing a equal to a plus 7, right? Let us see what happens. So if I do cargo run and print A, again you can see A's value should be 12, right? 7 plus 5, and the same A is changed and everything happened the same. Right now, let us take this one step further. What if I define a new variable with the same name as A? So let A equal to A plus 7. So what will this A print now? Will it print 12 or will it print 5 or will it print? So if I run this code, you will see that value of A is now printed 5 because this A is treated as a new variable now. This A is not the same as the above A, right? So uh, whatever changes you do to this A, it won't affect the outer A. This concept is called shadowing. But if I do same print A inside this, so the inside one second, let me write inside, outside. And if I run it, so the inside value should be 5 plus 7, 12, and outside value should be 5. Right. So the question is when you will use actually this concept, right? It kind of seems like it is not even useful. So this is useful when actually you are trying to define a scope and you do not want to create a new variable name to reduce confusion. So in those cases, you will define this variable with same name and it won't affect anything that is outside the scope. So this is it, I think, for this video. I think shadowing is clear to you. And please subscribe this channel if you want to watch more videos. Thank you.